Hello, good day. This is Teacher Iran. Welcome to my channel. For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa IPCRF rating encoding form. This is the prescribed IPCRF po ngayong school year 2019-2020 po. So, dahil sa COVID po na medyo mayroong changes, a little changes po sa IPCRF na nakasanayan na po ng mga teachers or mga employees, government employees sa DepEd po. So, IPCRF rating encoding form, teacher 1 to 3, SPET 1-4, proficient teacher, part 1, individual performance, commitment, and review form. So, before that, i-enable muna natin ang content. Macros have been disabled, so enable natin ang content po. So, nakalagay po dito sa part 1, part 1 shall be accomplished by the rater during the phase 3 performance review and evaluation of the RPMS cycle. Fill in empty cells, these white cells, with needed information about the teacher, school, and division. COT rating, encode the COT rating per observation period by doing the following steps. Select the subject for COT, input the COT rating per objective, and lock COT once finished. QET rating once all available COT ratings are inputted. Encode your rating for efficiency and timeliness. Note, this form automatically transmutes the COT rating to its corresponding in the RPMS point scale. When COT and QET ratings are encoded, click Finalize Part 1. Give the file copy to the teacher concerned. The teacher shall accomplish parts 2 and 4. So, yung white cells po, dapat fill-inan po lahat yan. Kasi po, pag hindi po, mayroong isa yan na hindi na filled in, ay hindi po siya maglalak dito po sa part na to. Kailangan pong ilock siya once you are done with answering. So, ilalak po siya. So, lock COT1 bago ka makaproceed sa COT2. Then, lock COT2, proceed to COT3. Then, lock na naman. Then, proceed to COT4. Ganun po yan. So, halimbawa po, dito po tayo. So, kanina wala po yung subject. So, dapat ay pili ko po ng subject dyan na yung you were observed by your principal or school head. Tapos, lalabas itong white na ito at fill-inan mo yung numbers dyan. Make sure na hindi siya lalagpas sa 7 at hindi din siya bababa sa 3. So, nakalagay na din dyan yung rating. So, example lang yan ha, hindi po yan rating, hindi ko po talaga yan rating. So, after which, ilalak mo po siya, lock COT1. Okay, the rater must enter a password minimum 6 characters with which to lock this file. Certain actions will henceforth require you to enter the password you input here to proceed. So, make sure na malagin mo yung password at you remember the password, then you confirm the password, then go. So, bawat lock in po ay kakailanganin mo po yung password. So, kailangan mo pong i-remember yung password. So, after na-encode na po yung password, then you click go. So, na-unlock na po yung COT1. Ito tayo sa COT2. Subject thought. Example lang Filipino. Example lang po yan ha. So, maglilagay ako ng rating 5, 7, 6, 4, 5. Skip po nating black na 5. Then 5. That's just an example. So, lock COT2. Input the date of observation. So, halimbawa, I was observed on November 2019, 11, 5. Sample lang. So, i-lock po natin yan. Rate is password required. Ang password, so go. So, unlock na po yung, nakalock na po yung COT2. Tapos, dito na tayo sa COT3. Subject po, ilalagay natin dito is, example, edukasyon sa pagpapakatao. Limbawa lang. So, lalagay natin dyan 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6. Okay, so after that, date ng observation, 20, 20, January 20, 15, limbawa. So, lock. Then, encode the password. Then go. So, unlock na po ang COT3. Let's proceed to COT4. Subject taught mathematics. Example lang yan, ha. Okay, 5, 7, 6, 6, 6, 4, tapos date observed is February 14, 2020, February 14, Valentine's Day, halimbawa lang. So, lock natin yan. Lalagay ang password. Then, go. Tapos po, naka-unlock na po yan. So, makikita dito, very satisfactory, outstanding, very satisfactory, outstanding, like that. So, ang efficiency po, sa next na po yan. Okay, approving authority. Fill in mo po yan. Name dyan, example. Lalagay tayo ng name. Kahit ano na lang, ha. Cheryl. For a while. Cheryl. Me. Tapos, position po ng approving authority, assistant, schools division superintendent, example. So, in COT, QET rating, last name naman pala me, Cheryl L. Okay. Tapos, when COT and QET ratings are done, select Finalize Part 1. Please complete QET ratings for all objectives. Rating must be a whole number from 1 to 5. So, lalagay natin dito 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, to, example lang ha, 1, 3. Ay, bakit ang baba? 4, 5. So, very satisfactory na po. Okay. So, let us finalize part 1. Please complete QT ratings for all objectives. Saan ba yun? Okay. Meron pa lang hindi pa na-fill in dito. 4. Quality. This is quality. 5. 4. 4. Tapos, meron pa dito ang timeliness. 5. 3. Filled in na ba lahat? Okay. Finalize. When COT and QET ratings are encoded, click Finalize part. Give the file copy to the teacher concerned. The teacher shall accomplish parts 2 and 4. Finalize part 1. Oh my G. Why? It's incorrect. Your data has been saved. Okay. So, mapapansin mo, nag-pink po siya. It means it is already saved. For behavioral competencies. So, part 2 shall be accomplished by the rating. So, kung makikita nyo dito, mayroon po ditong mga boxes. So, we will take this one. Mga boxes po. Hindi ko na po binabasa yan. Tik-tik na lang po ako ha for the sake of this tutorial. So, after po na-tick na po yung lahat ng mga boxes that would apply. So, click Finalize Part 2 to save your data. You can now proceed to the preparation of the Part 4 development plan based on the results of Part 1 and 2 in the PCRF. So, your data has been saved. Okay. So, done na po. Dito tayo sa part 1, proficient. Matingnan nga natin. So, kung makikita nyo po, filled in po ng mga data na po dyan. Okay. Based sa yung inilagay doon sa encoding part. Okay. Rating po is 4.035, which is a very satisfactory. Okay, dito tayo sa part 2. So, ito pong nakalagay sa part 2. So, okay, part 2 competencies. So, nakalagay na po lahat dyan. Based po sa yung nakalagay na tick-tick po na mga boxes. Dyan po yun kikita. Then, part 3 po, yung individual performance commitment review. Tapos, part 4. Ito po yung fill inan po ni teacher. This sheet shall be accomplished during phase 1 performance planning and commitment based on the results of ESET. And, so dito nakalagay yung strengths mo, your development needs. kailangan recommended development intervention learning objectives, the intervention timeline, resource needed. Tapos core behavioral competencies, lalagay mo po dyan. Tapos feedback, then rating, yung signature po nyo. Tapos, when all parts of the IPCRF are accomplished, the ratee must submit the file copy of his or her IPCRF electronic form to the department head or school head for the school-wide consolidation. He or she must print all the pages of this form and submit to the personnel division of the school to be attached to his or her 201 personnel file. So, example, finalize part 4. So, password ulit. Okay, and then go. Okay, incorrect password. Balikan muna natin. Okay, part 4 has been locked and finalized. Okay. So just in case mayroon po kayong nakalimutan, you want to unfinalize it, you can click this one, unfinalize, and then click your password. Go. So, part 4 has been unlocked and unfinalized. So, lahat po yan, pwede po ipang unfinalize po. Pag mayroon po kayong nakalimutan, then you have to print parts 1 to 4 po before you finalize the print. This one. Print nyo po lahat yan. Bago po mag-finalize lahat na. Pero pwede nyo naman i-unfinalize. So, unfinalize. Okay. So, yun po. I hope you enjoy at nakakatulong po ang video na ito. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!